Oi, sabar. Chairman Somod Jim Royang Matini Chia Bati Makanai. Chairman Somod Jim Royang Matini Chia Bati Makanai. Chairman Somod Jim Chia Bati Makanai. Chairman Somod Jim Royang Matini 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 Makanai.
না ম্যাম অনলাইনে আপডেট করতে হয় না এই এক্সেল শিটটা আমরা দিচ্ছি এই এক্সেল শিটটা দেওয়ার পরে এটা আমরা মানে আপডেট করে পাঠাইছিলাম
কারণ এখানে ইন জেনারেল পাবলিক এখানে দেখা গেল যে কয়েকটা পয়েন্ট আমরা আনছি আপনার সামনে পয়েন্ট নাম্বার হচ্ছে আপনার বিএসসি চেয়ারম্যান উনি তো এডিসি ইলেকশনে কন্টেস্ট করার জন্য উনি তো রিজাইন দিয়েছিল এবং রিজাইন দেওয়ার পরে সেটা তো it should be elected through village council. It has to be elected through village council. তো আপনিও জানেন ভিলেজ কাউন্সিলের ইলেকশন হয়েছে না ঠিক আছে তো রিজাইন দেওয়ার পরে উনি কিভাবে সেই পোস্টে আবার অ্যাপয়েন্টেড হয়েছে সেটা and may I
State government has totally declared what TPADC government has appointed monitoring committee should be. It is not legally tenable. The same thing they appointed the BSc chairman. Then from which constitution, from which article they could make him legally tenable without concern of villagers, without concern of public, without concern of this DC chairman. So it should also be, it must be removed on immediate basis, and it should not be legally tenable. The same thing we apply and we demand.
ADC election is being made very, very late. It should be done earlier. Why? Nagar Panchayat, it is happening timely. But ADC election is not going to be held timely. It is being late, very, very late. After 1 year, after 1.5 years, it is getting too much late. But everyone is keeping quiet. Why? Today we would like to ask question 2-hour video before he made a commitment that he would run every village council smoothly. But today we have seen many problems in the MMJ Rega war. So today we want answer why problem is going on. As he made a commitment, he will run smoothly every BC. But today there is many problems in every BC. BDO know it very well. Those that are the block, BDO know it very well about this problem arising. Many problems in ADC area. So today we are not going to relax any person here. We are coming here not for giving relaxation. We came here for demonstration, for our right demand. Get the positive result. Today we are not going to leave this place. So everyone, we came here for indefinite depositions. No definite time. Until and unless we get the positive result from the video, we are going to do the petition more further.